This example uses a Venn diagram looking at non-mutually exclusive events. So the given Venn diagram represents subjects taken by a group of 50 pupils. The universe here then must be 50. So 50 is the total number of pupils being looked at. So that means if we were to add the 20, the x, the 12 and the 4, it must add up to this total 50 because there's 50 things in the universe. We're asked in part 1 to find the value of x. Well, we're going to use this idea to find that. If we add 20 plus 12 plus 4 plus x, it must equal to 50. Now 20 and 12 is 32 and 4 is 36. So that means 36 plus x must equal 50. Now taking 36 from both sides, we see that x must be equal 14. That 36 and 14 equals 50. So the missing part is 14. That's the intersection of maths and science, or the number of students that study both maths and science. Now we're asked to find about probabilities. Find the probability that students selected at random would be studying both subjects. So the maths intersection science. So we see the intersection here is x, which we found out to be 14. So there's 14 out of 50, which is the total in the universe, is the probability a person selected at random will study both maths and science. And just reducing that fraction, it's 7 out of 25. Part 3, what's the probability that someone selected at random would study neither subject? Looking at the Venn diagram, we see that there are 4 people that study neither maths nor science. So 4 out of 50 is the probability they would study neither, and that's the same as 2 out of 25. Part 4, what's the probability someone selected would study science but not maths? So if we look at the Venn diagram here, we see that this science, not including maths, science only, has 12 in it. So there's just 12 people that study science only. So therefore it would be 12 out of 50 that study science, not maths, or 6 out of 25. And lastly, we're asked, what's the probability that someone selected at random studies maths or science or both? So this will be maths union science, the union of the 2 circles here, the 2 groups. And to get this, there's 2 approaches. One, you could add the 20 to the x to the 12, because it means everything inside the circles, where x is 14. When we add this, we do get 46. A quicker way of getting 46 though would be just take 4 from 50. There's 4 that don't study it, everyone else does. So 46 out of 50 is 23 out of 25. And that's the last solution.